Okay, so in this video, we're going to talk about how to do a backdoor Roth conversion on the Robinhood app. So if you don't already have the traditional account, traditional IRA and the Roth IRA account made, you're going to click Add, and you're going to click Retirement, and you're going to make a traditional IRA account. Go through the process. Once that's done, go back in, go back to Add, go back to Retirement, and make a Roth IRA account as well. So you need both, right? You need to put money into the traditional IRA account and then roll it over into the Roth IRA to make this process complete. So you don't want to hold the money in the traditional IRA. You want the tax deductions on the growth and the distributions on the Roth IRA. So that's the whole point of this. So let me show you how to do the whole thing after you've made those accounts. So a backdoor Roth IRA is where you contribute to the traditional IRA and then convert to Roth IRA. If you make over a certain amount of money, you do not qualify for the tax deduction associated with the traditional IRA. So yes, you can contribute to the traditional IRA, but you will not get any tax deduction. A traditional IRA is a pre-tax account, so you're putting post-tax money in there. And if you don't get the tax deduction, then you're essentially paying taxes again on the growth and the distributions. So you don't want to leave it in that traditional IRA account. You have to convert it to a Roth where the growth and the distributions are untaxed, right? Because you put in pre-tax money into the Roth, the post-tax or the growth and the distribution should not be taxed. So that's the benefit of putting in the Roth IRA, right? So you contribute the amount you want to your traditional IRA. So let's go to the traditional IRA. I've already contributed because until the contribution hits, you cannot do the Roth conversion. So over here, there'll be a button to contribute. You contribute whatever you want. So I maxed it out for this year, and they gave me a 3% IRA match of $225. Once your contribution hits, so this is the bad part of Robinhood. It takes about a whole full week for your money to actually hit. So they'll give you initial $1,000 or something in instant deposit, which is kind of useless because you can't use it because it's in the traditional IRA account, which you do not intend to keep the money in this account. You intend to roll it over. So once the money is hit, you'll get a notification that your money is available for use. Then you go to IRA settings and click on start a Roth conversion. Continue. I understand. Then you're gonna see that amount available. Unless you have pre-existing money in the traditional IRA account, you can convert the entire amount. If you have a traditional IRA independent of or balance from high income, and you have money in this account or from a 401k rollover, then just make sure you remember the exact amount you want to roll over so there's no tax implications on the future. So we're gonna go ahead and convert the entire amount, and it's gonna automatically pick your Roth IRA and then transfer, and it's instantaneous essentially. So that's it. The Roth conversion is done. And now when they give you the tax document for the next year, because this is for 2026, it'll have no taxation of this amount. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next one.